Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a group chat on Messenger. These steps are completely the same for Android and iOS devices. So, first, go to your Messenger and make sure that you are on the chat platform, okay? And now, all you have to do is go to the icon, look like a pencil that found on the right corner, and tap on group chat. Now, select the members that you want to add to your group and create your group. Now, in my case, the accounts are not active, so I cannot create a group, but this is how you can create a group chat on Messenger. So, if you find this video really helpful, please leave a like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.